How to stop Instagram account being suggested. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about how you're going to be going ahead and stopping your Instagram account from being suggested to other people. So the main basic way that you would usually do this is you go over to your profile, you click on to your edit profile, and once you do that, right down here it's going to be giving you an option on if you want your profile to be suggested to other people. So in the case you do want that, you could change that setting from here. But the issue is that on the app, it will not give you that. Okay, so what do we need to do from here? So for this, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come to your Safari and you're going to access Instagram online. Now, the reason I'm asking you to do that is because the edit profile option that we need is not available in the app. So right here, I'm going to go over and we're going to click on edit profile. Once you click on edit profile, you scroll down and here it says show account suggestions on profile. Now you can simply turn this off, click on submit, and that is how you're going to be making sure that your Instagram is not suggested to other people. So that is pretty much about it. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.